If you're seeing a Squarespace server error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check whether the issue is on Squarespace's side or whether it's something in your browser that you can fix yourself. This is one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot site loading problems, site editing issues, and those frustrating errors that stop you from working on your website. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open a new browser window and go to the official Squarespace status page. This is where you can see real-time updates about the health of Squarespace services. Once the page loads, look closely at the live tracking logs for site loading and site editing. These are the two areas that matter most when your site is not opening properly or when changes are not saving the way they should. If you see a yellow or red incident report, especially one that says something like investigating errors loading sites, that is a strong sign the problem is on Squarespace's end. In that case, there is nothing you need to fix in your browser because the server issue is completely out of your hands. At that point, the best thing to do is wait for Squarespace to resolve the incident and check the status page again later. Now, if the status page looks normal and there are no major incidents showing, the next step is to perform the Incognito test. Open a clean browser incognito or private window and try loading your Squarespace site again. This step is important because it removes saved browser data from the equation and helps you see whether the problem is being caused by your current session, your cache, or your cookies. If the site works smoothly in incognito mode, that usually means your regular browser has stored data that is interfering with the connection. In that case, go to your primary browser's settings and clear your history, cached images, and site cookies. This reset helps remove stale tokens and forces your browser to pull a completely fresh server request from Squarespace. After clearing the data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try loading your site again in a normal window. In many cases, that alone fixes the error and gets the site loading properly again. If you're troubleshooting for a client or managing multiple sites, this process can save a lot of time because it helps you separate a real server outage from a local browser problem very quickly. So the simple rule is this: if Squarespace has a live incident, wait it out. If the status is clear, test in incognito. If incognito works, clear your browser history, cache, and cookies. That is the fastest way to narrow down the cause of a Squarespace server error. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.